Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about mitochondria. What is mitochondria? Mitochondria are known as the powerhouses of the cell. They are organelles that act like a digestive system, which takes in nutrients, break them down, and creates energy-rich molecules for the cell. The biochemical processes of the cell are known as cellular respiration. Many of the reactions involved in cellular respiration happen in the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the working organelles that keep the cell full of energy. Mitochondria are small organelles floating free throughout the cell. Some cells have several thousand mitochondria while others have none. Muscle cells need a lot of energy, so they have loads of mitochondria. Neurons don't need as many. If a cell feels it is not getting enough energy to survive, more mitochondria can be created. Sometimes a mitochondria can grow larger or combine with other mitochondria. It all depends on the needs of the cell. Mitochondria function as batteries that produce more than 90% of the energy in your body cell. Mitochondria are really important in high energy demanding organs such as your heart, liver, muscles and brain. 40% of each heart muscle cell and 25% of each liver cell are made up of mitochondria. Mitochondria are teeny elongated structures. They have an outer membrane that protects them. Mitochondria also have a folded inner membrane called the cristae that creates an effective workspace for energy production. So, mitochondria are important parts of our cells because they generate energy from food that the rest of the cell can use. So, its main function is to produce energy for the cell. I hope so you got the simple concept of mitochondria. For more informative and latest video,